ለክብርት ለጣሊያን ጠቅላይ ሚኒስትር በህብረት ሰላም
Your Excellency, President João Lourenço, Chairperson of the African Union, Your Excellency, Giorgia Meloni, Prime Minister of the Republic of Italy, Your Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, Your Excellency Mahmoud Ali Yusuf, Chairperson of the African Union Commission, Your Excellency Antonio Guterres, representatives from multilateral institutions like World Bank, Africa Development, our older brother Thabo Mbeki, and dear friends. I am deeply honored to welcome you to Ethiopia for the second Italy-Africa Summit. This gathering marks a pivotal moment in Africa-Europe relations, a moment to move from dialogue to action and to turn ideas into clear outcomes for our people. Italy has articulated a forward-looking vision to serve as the bridge between Europe and Africa. Through the Mate Plan, energy security, sustainable development, migration management, and human capital are integrated into a unified strategy based on partnership and mutual benefit. Ethiopia is proud to be part of this vision. Our participation in the first Italy-Africa Summit in 2024 and our continued engagement since reflects a shared commitment to move beyond words. As we host this summit in Addis Ababa, we reaffirm our readiness to work with Italy, with our African brothers and sisters, and with all partners committed to turning strategic dialogue into development outcomes that improve lives. Ethiopia is increasingly connecting Africa to the world. At the continent's diplomatic capital, a growing hub for aviation and logistics, and host of major global conferences, we are linking regions, markets, and ideas, raising Africa's voice in global affairs. Excellencies, our greatest asset is our people. Africa is young, ambitious, ready to innovate and lead. By investing in youth and skills, we can create jobs, unlock talent, and address today's challenges while preparing for tomorrow's opportunities. Technology, particularly artificial intelligence, is central to this future. Digital transformation and emerging technologies modernize energy infrastructure, improve food systems, enhance health, and enable trade, while delivering people-centered public services. By combining Africa's energetic and creative population with Europe's experience, technology, and capital, we can build solutions that deliver prosperity to our continents and beyond. The Mate Plan aligns closely with Ethiopia's priorities. It complements our homegrown economic reform agenda across renewable energy, climate-smart agriculture, infrastructure, digital transformation, and human capital development. From major hydropower initiatives and expanding regional interconnections to rail, aviation, and the creation of innovation hubs, Ethiopia is laying the foundation for sustainable development and shared values across Africa. Excellencies, the Italy-Africa Partnership shows the cooperation can remain balanced and future-focused. It shows that addressing migration, advancing climate action, unlocking Africa's potential, and investing in youth and technology must advance together. Ethiopia is fully committed to turning words into action, ensuring tangible benefits for our people. In closing, I reaffirm Ethiopia's resolve to deepen strategic cooperation with Italy and across Africa. Together, we can shape a new Africa-Europe relationship, not based on dependency, but dignity, not on extraction, but shared prosperity, not on the past, but on a future we build together. Let's move forward with determination to build the Africa and Europe we all aspire to see. I thank you, and once again, I welcome you to Ethiopia, the land of origin.